So this is just a quick guide on how to change your purge settings. First of all, switch your printer and your Ace Pro box on. It doesn't actually show up until you actually start doing the print, so you can't actually do it. So we'll go and do that. So I'm just going to load up this quick one just for the demonstration. I've just prepared it. I'm just going to go to preview. That'll show you how long it's going to take and the filament, and then I'm just going to go to remote print, and then I'm going to turn the bed leveling off and then just start print. So once the print is actually downloaded, you'll come up with this screen. Let me just turn this around so you can see it. You'll come up with that screen. So what you want to do is you click on where your filament is, and then it'll show you the filament, and then because you've loaded the actual object into the printer, you'll get this come up. So it says purge volume, so you can change it to whichever you want. If you just click on it, you can minus it, you can plus it. So if you're getting color bleed in your prints, then just up the purge. I've left mine on purge volume 6 and I don't seem to have any problems with it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be uploading.